Push your button. Push it. Push it.
Why is she saying no, no? Is it shocking her or something?
Go, baby, go.
No, she's trying to do what she does on the real pool. So bye-bye.
She's gonna check it out now. Look at her get that cap off.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna open yours too, Tracy?
I'll make Nathan do it. I don't feel like doing it.
Okay.
Look.
She cackled a while ago when she did it.
Yeah.
Get on it. Hey, girl. How do you reverse?
It doesn't have reverse.
Probably a good thing.
Woo woo!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby.
Pick your feet up.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Now keep the big ones off of it.
Woohoo!